Alright, if you're going through a lot of belts on your Kirby vacuum cleaner, I'm saying like one belt a month, that's a lot. On an average usage, Kirby belts should be replaced every 6 months. That's average for a Kirby. But one of the main reasons you're going through a lot of belts on your Kirby vacuum cleaner is you're going too low to the carpet. So for example, always bring the carpet height all the way up, just like that. And what you do is when the vacuum cleaner is turned on, slowly bring down the head of the machine. As soon as you hear the roller brush hit the carpet, then you know you're at the perfect setting. There's no sense for you to go all the way down and then you can't push the vacuum very well and you're going to burn the belt. So the trick is just to bring this down until you hear it lightly touch the carpet. As soon as you hear the roller brush lightly touch the carpet, you're good, you're set. Leave it. You'll go through a lot less belts with this tip. Thank you.